Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Life and Language Podcast channel. You know that moment when someone says something and you just have to share your opinion, but the words don't come out the way you want? Yeah, we've all been there. So today, let's fix that. When you want to share your view naturally, try. If you ask me, it's casual and confident. When you really mean it, say, I strongly believe that, clear and assertive. And when you're holding your ground, use as far as I'm concerned, polite but firm. Pick one and try it in a real conversation today. If you ask me, meaning and usage. Use this phrase to introduce a strong personal opinion confidently and naturally. It signals that what follows is your own view, not a fact, but said with conviction. Great for discussions, debates, or casual conversations where you want to share what you really think. Example sentences. 1. If you ask me, working from home is way more productive than going into the office. 2. If you ask me, that movie had a terrible ending. The book was so much better. 3. If you ask me, we should just skip the meeting and send an email instead. I strongly believe that meaning and usage. A direct, confident way to express a firm personal opinion or deeply held view. Use it when you want to sound assertive and clear, not aggressive, just certain. Works well in both formal discussions and everyday conversation. Example sentences. 1. I strongly believe that kindness at work makes a huge difference in the team. 2. I strongly believe that learning a language takes daily practice, not just talent. 3. I strongly believe that children should spend more time outdoors than on screens. As far as I'm concerned, meaning and usage. Use this to state your personal stance on something, especially when others might disagree. It signals this is my position and I'm standing by it. It's polite but firm, perfect for holding your ground without sounding rude. Example sentences. 1. As far as I'm concerned, the deal isn't fair and we shouldn't agree to it. 2. As far as I'm concerned, pineapple on pizza is absolutely fine. Stop judging. 3. As far as I'm concerned, that apology wasn't good enough and we need to talk more. Goodbye for now. See you in the next video.